Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Boston here. Today I'm going to be walking you through a brand new trade of ours. It's a 2022 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Making our way into the boat here, you're going to see our Mercury 150 horsepower engine. Plenty of power to get you where you need to be. Swim platform floored with sea deck. Big lounger here with a ski tow. Plenty of room for hanging out, lounging out. As we make our way into the boat, see the interior is floored with our infinity woven vinyl. Plenty of seating here on the port side. Helm chair here. This boat has our Fusion radio, Bluetooth, FM, AM, Simrad screen. Up into the bow. Plenty of U-shaped seating for all your guests. Speakers up in the front. Anchor locker. And of course, this boat does come with our bimini top. For more information on this boat, please call me. Again, my name's Andrew and I work for MarineMax Boston. Thank you.